Good day, everyone. Welcome to Tech Safari. As we head into 2026, the honeymoon phase of AI is over. We are moving from chatbots that just talk to systems that actually work. 2025 was a wild year. We saw ChatGPT go mainstream. We saw AI images everywhere, and we saw the world start to change. But if you think you've seen it all, you are looking at the tracks, not the predator. As we head into 2026, the honeymoon phase of AI is over, and we are moving from chatbots that just talk to systems that actually work. In this video, I'm giving you the official 2026 AI roadmap. We are going to track the three species of technology that will dominate the 12 months. If you understand this, you will be ahead of 99% of the population. If you don't, you might get left behind in the brush. Let's head into the jungle. Our first stop, autonomous agents. In the past year, you had to be a prompt engineer. You had to tell the AI exactly what to do. In 2026, that is old news. We are now tracking AI agents. An AI agent is an AI that has been given a goal, not just a prompt. Imagine telling an AI, I want to start a side business selling custom t-shirts. A 2025 AI will give you a list of steps. A 2026 agent will research the niche, find the supplier, draft the website, and even set up your social media ads, all while you sleep. This is the move from generative AI to actionable AI. Tools like Crew AI and Microsoft AutoGen are leading this pack. They don't just answer questions, they execute missions. Let's get practical. If you want to start with agents today, deep dive into one specific tool. You need to look at Agent GPT. It's a browser-based tool where you can actually watch the AI think. You could give it a name. Let's call it Safari. Let's call it Safari Scout, and a goal like research the best 5 AI side hustles for 2026. As you watch it work, it breaks the tasks into subtasks. It's like watching a digital brain build a puzzle in real time. This is the difference between a tool and an employee. Next, we have the Multimodal Masters. For a long time, AI was blind or deaf. You had one app for text and another for photos. In 2026, those walls have crumbled. The new alpha models like GPT-4, the new alpha models like GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 have senses. They can see through your phone's camera, hear the tone of your voice, and respond in time. This isn't just about phone filters. This is about real-world utility. We are talking about AI that can look at a broken engine and tell you how to fix it, or watch a live meeting and summarize the body language of the room. The world is no longer just data to these models. It's an environment they can actually perceive. You might be asking, does this mean I'm out of a job? In the tech safari, the animals that survive are the ones that adapt. In 2026, we aren't competing against AI. We are competing against other humans who use AI. Whether you are a graphic designer, a lawyer, or a student, your value is no longer in doing the work. it in directing the work. The Multimodal Masters we discussed earlier, they are your eyes and ears. Use them to automate the boring stuff so you can focus on the strategy. And finally, we look at the undergrowth. These are the local models. Up until now, AI has lived in the cloud. It belonged to big companies like OpenAI or Google. But 2026 is the year of privacy. Small language models or SLMs are now powerful enough to run directly on your phone or laptop without an internet connection. This is huge. It means your data stays with you. Businesses are moving their secrets away from the cloud and into these private safaris. If you can master tools like Llama or Mistral, you hold the keys to the most secure tech on the planet. So, how do you survive the 2026 tech safari? First, stop trying to learn every tool. Pick one agent framework and learn how it works. And focus on multimodal workflows. Start using AI with your camera and your voice. And third, keep your most valuable data local. To run these hidden predators or local models, you are going to need the right gear in 2026. We are seeing the rise of AI PCs. These aren't just faster laptops. They have specialized chips called NPUs, Natural Processing Units. If you are looking to upgrade your setup this next year, look for anything with an NPU. This allows you to run your private Safari without relying on a slow internet connection or a monthly subscription to the big giant tech. The tech jungles move fast, but you don't have to hunt alone. Every week, I will be here, tracking the latest shift and showing you how to stay at the top of the food chain. Join the pride, subscribe to Tech Safari, and let's conquer the future together. See you on the next expedition.